Bitcoin's price movement over the years has been nothing short of a rollercoaster ride full of surprises. From the bull run of 2017 to the great crypto crash of 2020 to the recent price drawdown, the cryptocurrency market has been largely unpredictable and driven by volatility. In 2009, when Bitcoin was first launched, the financial ecosystem wasn't prepared for the dynamic and substantial change that cryptocurrencies would bring to the global economy. Now, after almost 13 years, the cryptocurrency industry has diversified the monetary landscape globally. In fact, the adoption of cryptos has indicated that the inception of a decentralized model could be the future of investment and trading. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we talk about Bitcoin and its price prediction for 2025. This will be an exciting and most lucrative information regarding Bitcoin. So keep watching and let's dive in. First of all, 13 years ago, Bitcoin started the cryptocurrency revolution, paving the way for digital assets and stirring mass interest among financial investors worldwide. However, the speculative nature and high volatility of cryptocurrencies and digital assets have made investors reluctant about the asset class and price predictions. Nonetheless, crypto price predictions have gained a lot of steam over the last few years and still continue to be broadly popular among long-term investors. In fact, price prediction models in the crypto space have become more streamlined and transparent. Price predictions. The top cryptocurrency started this year trading in the $46,000 zone. At the time of writing, Bitcoin traded at $31,657, noting 3.9% daily and 9.27% weekly gains. Due to the larger financial market sell-off in January, Bitcoin's price fell down to $33,184. While Bitcoin price began to rebound in the first half of February, the top coin quickly lost value again at the end of the month after Russia's invasion of Ukraine led to another market-wide sell-off. Bitcoin's price dropped from above $40,000 in mid-February to below $34,500 by February end, marking the top coin's downtrend. At press time, Bitcoin was down by over 30% year-to-date. Bitcoin price prediction 2022. Bitcoin has been viewed as one of the best long-term crypto investments for years due to the coin's first mover status within the market. However, as touched on earlier, the Bitcoin crypto price has dropped significantly from November 2021's all-time highs. Given this fact, what does the remainder of 2022 hold for Bitcoin? One of the main things going in Bitcoin's favor is its relatively solid standing within the crypto market. This reputation is not only driven by retailer investor interest, but also interest from institutional investors. Many well-known companies now hold Bitcoin in their investment portfolios to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency sector. A recent article from Yahoo Finance noted that asset managers held more than $70 billion worth of Bitcoin in late 2021. At the time, this equated to nearly 8% of the coin's circulating supply. The largest holder is Grayscale Investments, which issues a tradable Bitcoin fund called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Even though the current Bitcoin price isn't as high as it once was, many high net worth individuals also hold Bitcoin. These include Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, along with Winklevoss twins, Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, and more. There are also likely to be many more high-profile names who have purchased Bitcoin yet choose to remain out of the limelight. Given this attention from industry-leading professionals and financial institutions, we'll likely see Bitcoin regain some of its footing within the crypto market in the coming months. The amount of money invested in Bitcoin should see the coin continue to dominate in terms of market cap, providing a platform for a rebound. Due to this, our Bitcoin price prediction 2022 sees the coin return to the $32,000 level by the end of the year. Looking further ahead, what does Bitcoin price prediction look like for 2023? Apparently, there are a lot of altcoins that have been launched over the past few years that look to capitalize on Bitcoin's success. Many of these altcoins have been dubbed superior to Bitcoin in terms of speed and scalability. In an objective sense, this does appear to be true. Ethereum is seen by many as the best cryptocurrency to invest in, since it uses blockchain technology in a more innovative way than Bitcoin. Furthermore, other networks have also begun moving away from Bitcoin's proof-of-work consensus to a proof-of-stake algorithm, which is much more scalable and environmentally friendly. However, even though Bitcoin's technology may be becoming outdated, the coin is still growing in adoption throughout the world as a payment method. As reported by Reuters, nearly 25% of small businesses in 9 leading countries intend to begin accepting digital currencies as a payment method in 2022. Due to Bitcoin's pervasiveness, there's a good chance that BTC will be the coin of choice for these businesses. Bitcoin ATMs have also become a popular concept, allowing users to deposit cash and purchase BTC or other cryptocurrencies using a physical kiosk. The bought crypto is then sent to the user's crypto wallet via QR code, providing a quick and an easy way to purchase digital currencies. According to reports, there are now over 30,000 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide. These elements highlight just how widely Bitcoin is used, even though other coins may have the upper hand when it comes to real-world use cases and scalability. This pervasiveness should help the currency continue growing over time, which is why our Bitcoin price prediction 2023 estimates the coin could be worth $69,000 by this point. At the time you're watching this video, Bitcoin's sustained downtrend has prompted many to speculate that it could be one of the most undervalued cryptos on the market. This is because when it comes to crypto adoption from institutional investors, Bitcoin remains the most viable option due to its market cap and relatively low volatility. One of the most significant changes that could impact Bitcoin's price in the years ahead is the long-awaited release of Bitcoin Spot ETF. Although there are now numerous Bitcoin futures ETFs, all proposals for a spot ETF have been thrown out by the SEC. The main concern is market manipulation potential, as the crypto market is still relatively unregulated. However, the previous rejections of spot ETF applications have not deterred financial firms from continuing to try their luck. Grayscale Investments continues to try and persuade the SEC that now is the time for them to allow these type of investments, whilst other companies such as Cathie Wood's ARK Invest have recently filed applications. If one of these ETFs were allowed to launch, it would provide direct exposure to Bitcoin's price. It seems like it's only a matter of time before a spot Bitcoin ETF is made available, significantly increasing the accessibility of Bitcoin investing for a considerable number of traders. With that in mind, our Bitcoin price prediction 2025 estimates that Bitcoin could reach a valuation of $80,000 by the end of that year. Talking about a more short-term prediction, the CoinMarketCap crypto community considers that Bitcoin will soar 30.06% from the current price to trade at $41,175 on June 30th, 2022, with the target being based on average of votes by 34,436 members. That said, while price predictions carefully assess the asset's prospects, nothing can be said for sure, especially in a sector as volatile as the cryptocurrency market. That wraps up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you in the next time. Until then, peace out.